Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the matte or the white border on your Samsung The Frame TV. First, press the up arrow key twice, then navigate to Mount option, press OK to open it, and then here in the Mount section you can change your mount style. You can change its style and size like this, and you can also change the color in the next section. And to apply changes, press OK. And that's how you adjust your mount. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.